Okay, so now we're going to try and we're going to have a go at fitting the subframes, because we want to make sure that the subframes fit properly before we finish all the welding and tidy it all up. All right, Alex?
We're gonna get another.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Is that better? Now have a look at the top.
See what happens.
Yeah, just a bit of an intro, and as I've shown in this video, we've turned Moke sideways, and I've spent a lot of time welding, grinding and cutting as usual. Decided to replace the fuel tank panel on the bottom, because the other one was pretty rusted out. So that one's sort of ready to go on. Cut a hole out for the fuel tank to go in through, the cap to go through, and sort of pretty nearly finished. Got a few bit more tidying up, and then we're going to clean it all up. Got to get all that old stuff off, give it a clean up, and then we'll be spraying it all with body deadener. So that'll be exciting, because that'll be all nearly all of the grinding and cutting and welding finished.